My name is Piyush Pandey and I'm from Future Architects. And this is my first video on Revit architecture. Today I'm going to teach you how to add materials to different objects in your Revit model. So here, as you can see, I have a Revit model of a building. Show you a better view. Now, as we can see that I have already added materials on the ground floor level, and I'm going to add materials on the first floor itself. Now here we have seen the walls are still white and the interior walls as well. So I will be adding colors to these walls of the exterior as well as interior. Now what I need to do is first you have to go to the manage tab button. Now you have to go to the materials, double click on it. A material browser will open. Now we'll wait for this browser to open. And what we have to do is we have to create our new material over here. As we see here in the material browser, we already have some predefined materials as given by Autodesk itself. What we have to do is we have to create the color of our own choice. Now to do this, we have to click here, this button, and then create a new material. Now what happens? When you click on this, a default new material is selected. What you have to do is rename this first. Like I'm gonna name it, say, since I'm gonna give an external view, I'll be naming it as exterior. What color shall I give you? I shall give it exterior gray 1 because I have already created an exterior gray color in order for myself to add materials, and this is just for showing you. So exterior gray 1. Now what I'm gonna do is this, on the right side of this panel there's use render appearance. Check on this, then go to appearance. Now you have to pick a color. Okay, so click on the drop down, click on the red color, and then you have to add a color of your choice. Like, see, I have already added a color, like, see this one. Okay, so there's a gray color that I'm gonna give on the external walls. So click on OK, and then you have to adjust these, like reflectivity, transparency, cutout, self-illumination, and all this. So I'm gonna click on reflectivity and adjust how much light will the color reflect. So I'm gonna adjust it to 5 or 4, whatever, and obliqueness to again 5 or 4, anything. Then apply. Okay, now so we have created our own material, and then click on we have to click on OK also. Now it's in a white cell. Okay, so click on OK. Now in order to add this created material to your walls, what you have to do is go to modify, and here in the geometry panel you see this icon. Click on this. So this will again open a created material browser which you have already created. So type the name exterior exterior, and then you'll find the material that you created. After clicking on it, go zoom into, and then see, once we select a wall, it is only showing a particular surface of this wall and not the entire wall. Now when you move it to that portion, it is showing the portion of the surface of the wall which is behind on the other side. So click the surface which you want to color. Like I want to color this surface, I've clicked this. See, I want to color this surface, I've already clicked this. So it's getting colored. Okay, now I again want to color this surface, so I'm clicking and it's get colored. See, this the same is happening everywhere. Okay, now I'm sorry, Control Z. Okay, now since I'm adding the external colors and I'm done with that, I'll be adding the interior colors in the same way. So as I have already taught you, you have to go to manage, go to materials, and then in the material browser click on this, create a new material, and create a material and a color of your choice. So I'm right now canceling it because I've already defined those materials for myself. Then you have to go to modify, in the geometry panel click on this option, and then as I've already done, I'll be creating a blue color, you see. So I'll be searching my color which I've already created inside. Okay, so let's see, where did I, okay, so this is my dark blue color that I've already created for an internal wall. I'll be clicking on this, then I'll be going to an inside panel. See this one, this face of the wall, I'll be coloring it, and see it turns blue. So guys, this is how you create materials to different objects in your 3D model. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. And please like, subscribe, and comment in my channel. And also write down the names of different topics you want to know about from my channel. And I'll be creating a video on that too. Thank you very much, guys.